Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing ministries here in Thailand keeping an eye on certain types of foreign business. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail. It's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, "Foreigners Working Without a Permit in Thailand Face Crackdown." Now, I'm going to quote a small excerpt. The thrust of that article goes in a slightly different direction. I urge those watching this video, go check out that article in detail. But quoting directly, "Corruption is rife in employment-related enforcement, and there are even cases of Thai ID cards being issued wrongly to illegal entrants. Consequently, the Commerce Ministry, the Tourism Association, and the Ministry of the Interior have joined hands in an attempt to, quote, keep an eye, unquote, on foreign businesses in popular resort areas." Yeah, look, as we've discussed in other videos, I think Thai law enforcement is keen to do something about what they perceive to be as a large influx of foreigners coming to Thailand and operating illegally, be it either businesses that foreigners are not allowed to operate in, property ownership which foreigners are not allowed to acquire, or just simply working in violation of either the requirement to have a work permit, or even where folks have a work permit, they're working in an area that is specifically restricted from foreign labor and is set aside specifically for Thais. Now, I understand foreigners who come from a background where they don't have this sort of insular protectionism associated with the local labor pool. This can be sort of confusing and in many cases frustrating, but understand, Thailand takes its local labor very, very seriously. The history of this country is such that, in my opinion, it's a very wise policy to maintain, especially in the long term. And it's quite good, in fact, for maintaining a high level of employment amongst one's local population. So while on the one hand, I can understand the frustration of foreigners looking to come here and do business in Thailand, it's also worth noting that this restriction doesn't come from nowhere. It's not apropos of nothing. But it is something, nonetheless, foreigners need to be aware of, and they need to maintain strict compliance with both work permit regulations as well as the regulations associated with restricted occupations here in Thailand.